How to enter BIOS on your laptop or your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll talk about two methods on how you can enter BIOS on your laptop or your PC. So, the first method includes going to your start. After that, go to settings. Now go to system and then scroll down until you see the option recovery. Simply tap on it and then you can see the option advanced startup. Simply tap on the options restart now and then tap on the option restart now. Now once you've done that, it will say please wait. Now once this has completed, you will be taken to this kind of page where it will show you the model of your laptop or your PC. So as I have an HP laptop, it is simply showing me the HP logo. Now you will be taken to this page where all you have to do is simply tap on the option troubleshoot. After that, go to advanced options and then tap on the option UEFI firmware settings. Now simply tap on it and then tap on the option restart once again. Now again, wait for your laptop to restart and then as you can see, it is showing the startup menu. So if you want to open the BIOS, it will simply show you which key you'll have to press over here. So in my case, it is the F10 key. So let me simply press that key. Now once you've entered the key, you will be taken to your BIOS setup utility and now you will be able to change what you want to change from this page. So that is one way on how you can enter BIOS. Now let me show you another way. Now the second way on how you can enter BIOS on your laptop or your PC is simply turn off your device and then while it is turning on, you'll have to press specific key on your laptop. So this key varies from laptop to laptop, as since I have an HP laptop, I'll have to either press the F10 key or the ESC key while the laptop is turning on, and if you have an Asus laptop, you'll have to press the F2 key while the laptop is turning on. So this really depends from laptop to laptop. So let me show you an example. I'll simply restart my laptop and then while the laptop is restarting, I'll simply press the F10 key. So as you can see, I'm currently pressing the F10 key non-stop. Keep pressing the key until you are taken to another page. Now as you can see, I've been successfully taken to the BIOS setup page. So as I said earlier, this method varies from laptop to laptop. So I leave the list on the screen so you can check out what keys you need to press on your laptop. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.